today I'm gonna go and see the elephants today. I'm just popping into 7-Eleven to just get coconut water because the pickup's at 12, so I'm gonna run down. It's literally like 2 minutes away, so I'm gonna quickly get it and then go back to the hotel because that's where the guy's picking me up. Arrived at the elephant sanctuary.
You can relax, leave your bags in the locker. We're going to lock it afterwards. If you need to go to the facility, get down there. Alright?
You guys know.
Okay? It's pretty. Are they always like calm and quiet? Yes. Normally they're quiet. Normally they get agitated, they get nervous. If there's something non-familiar to them, like a dog, they're not used to, or chicken, they're not used to, then they get Okay, guys. Come here. Sorry? Medai. Okay, we have one each.
Oh wow.
Okay, we make it a little bit lighter before we go down. We give a little bit to the mother and the baby.
Okay.
For the baby, you have to peel it, okay, because she cannot digest the peel yet. Okay, so you peel it like this, and you can give the peel to the mother and this to the baby.
Okay.
I'll show you. Because elephants, they sometimes at night they sleep only 3-4 hours a night, okay, and but normally they stay quiet. But let's say there's rats or insects, they get scared, so they start screaming and they get nervous, and then the manhood, they have to come down and make sure that they're okay.
Oh wow.
Mai, 35, Yuhua, she's 13 years old. Now you can spread it around and feed one.
I gave you too much now.
Delicious.
Yes.
For a second, it's already coming. Come on. One more. Oh, okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow.
We can go with Charlie.
Okay.
A bit lonely there.
Oh, okay, I'll go to her. Oh, wow. Ooh. It's too sunny for her.
Didi. Didi.
Oh, have to go inside. You don't want to go in? Oh!
Rồi, đi xuống. These two, they are always together. Because when she was born, the mother passed away, and she was adopted by Charlie.
Ah.
The one that we give a thought to. Yeah, down there.
Come out right. Baby. Nino. Banana Nino. Then you okay,
Oh. Oh my god!
She cannot control her strength yet. Yeah. Wow.
Hola. Hola.
Está bonita, ¿no? Alright, shower time. Shower, up now.
Bye.